again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have added some Artist Loft white paint with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. If the recipe does not appear below the video, you are welcome to ask me for it. But it's generally, I mix 3/4 Floetrol and 1/4 GAC 800, and then to it I add the amount of white, usually 50% in my case. You don't have to use my recipe, everybody's got a different recipe, and if it works for them and it works for you, then you're golden. I have experienced a few things in my paint recently, so I want to take a moment to look, and I think I see one or two, because they don't show initially, but when it dries you get little tiny flaps of stuff. I got one spot of canvas right there. So I was playing earlier with the idea of creating a skin and used a sheet of plastic to do that on, but the colors I used were so interesting to me, even though they're neutrals and metallics, which is kind of what I do already. I decided I'd like to do that again. So here's some Prizm Pour Egyptian coin. This is mixed differently than the other things, but that does not seem to matter to me. Everything sort of works. It's my theory. I expect it to work and it does. This is, it wasn't quite half and half. Vivid Polypore and then some GAC 800. This is a little deco art. .24 karat gold. This is the same thing with a little bit of orange in, and I bet there isn't enough in there to tell the difference. Actually, it looks a lot more like Egyptian coin than it does the 24 karat gold. This is a golden fluid iridescent fine. I have to remember to put some white in here. These are all golds, except for I'm going to put some, I believe this is Fire Opal from Folk Art Treasures. And I'm going to use my black cell activator, which is Amsterdam Black and Aussie Floetrol. That's Egyptian coin. That's more Egyptian coin. I have another color. I have a gold I bought when I couldn't find gold anywhere. It feels like it's kind of gloppy though. This would be a bad time to find out about that, wouldn't it? Let's use this other color. I have this sort of buff copper that's also not been used in a while. Okay. Well, that's going to add an interesting element. That's most likely Floetrol, which I have used to swipe with before, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. I'm just going to squeeze some of my cell activator out into a dish and hope that I can lay my eyes on, there it is, there's my tool. That's an acetate tool. It's just duct taped with clear duct tape onto the skewer. I think I will try an alternative method. I think what I'm going to do is use my cell activator like I did originally. How about I just go ahead, give myself permission to use my spatula. Then if I want some more black, I could do that. But in the meantime, it's kind of okay. I don't know whether to scrape this off. I guess I should. Throw it in the bucket. See what I've got over here for tools that I washed. There's my spatula. Alright, so now I'm thinking I'm going to grab a little bit of Anita's White Metallic. And I kind of want to put purple in there, but I'm going to restrain myself. It's time to mix some more cell activators. This one's become kind of runny, which is really weird. I really do love the cell action that happens. Not all metallics seem to sell equally. And this is, I mean, somebody's probably going to think it looks like a mess, but I like it a lot. And it might make a great background if I wanted to do a toothy tool version. Just blowing into that. I want some actual black. It says Meaden black. I really want to use my little tool. Why do I want to use my little tool? Because the Meaden black is often something that sells also. I don't want to destroy any cool cells. There's not much chance I can get away without doing some of that. Something destructive though. Reminds me of stuff I did my first year. Which is okay. I got some stuff I really liked my first year. Just curving my tool around. Picking up a little paint, smearing. Why does it remind me of cave paintings? I don't know. But I like my little wispy curves. Yeah, that was fun. That's definitely art therapy. That's what that is. So if you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Ask me questions if you'd like to. Look on my community board for tomorrow's video. Know that I have over 2,300 videos, and if you need a link and you can't find one, I'm your girl. I got everything organized by topic and genre and by the 100. I'm probably going to black my edges. And I'm loving the cells. I'm loving a lot about this. And I could just play with this endlessly, I think. But I won't. I'll stop myself now, I think. Alright, what should I tell you? Thank you! Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. I really appreciate that. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing and you make a donation, you'll be automatically invited to be in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video I include on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of this video, and a lot of recent videos. Drawing is at the beginning of the month. Donations go to help support the studio's production of videos, tutorials, and purchase art supplies. I can torch. I've been using the Prizm Pour paints and doing blooms, and I can't torch, but I can torch now, and it will probably make some cells. That just looks like the most cool, funky piece of rock. Very organic. I'll think of some other usefulness for this pattern. So my email address is below the link tree. It's easpb in the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about the purchase of an artwork or taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That's the way to go. Let's see how close we can get in there. There's some amazing cells in there. The light is getting low. It's kind of late in the day. I've got artificial lights in the studio and I'm getting used to them. And I'm really happy there isn't more reflection. So that's a wild piece. Very, very natural, organic looking too. What can I tell you guys? My Amazon link is on the link tree, and my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are the first and second 100 videos and methods and ingredients and tools all included, along with links. If you have questions, I think I said that. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, my playlists on my YouTube channel. My playlist will show you all playlists, created playlists. That's how to search for playlists. Wow. Okay, it's maybe too late in the day. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for watching the commercials when you can. I really, really appreciate the help. My spring clothing is below the video. If you can't find what you're looking for, ask. I can add things there. My Legalerist clothing is on my link tree, along with my Society 6. Legalerist is made in Montreal, designer quality, beautiful, high-end investment quality clothing. You might want to check that out. It's got my patterns and my designs on it. What else can I tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups are on my link tree. Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. My paint pouring recipe is below. Show more underneath the video. If you have questions, that's the 3rd time. Anyway, I've got a lot of videos, and I have a will and a way to tell you what you need to know. If you ask me, I'll tell you if I can, and I'll tell you if I can't. I love you guys dearly. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. See you anon. Priscilla out.